Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Millionaire Valley, the place where we don't just watch the crypto market, we hunt for opportunities. Today we are diving into Chia Coin again. Is Chia Coin finally mooning, or is it just a dead cat bounce when I'm going to sell all my Chia Coins? So, let's dive into what is going on with Chia Coin right now and figure out what we should do with our investment, looking at the mid-term picture. Like I said, in my previous video, the local bottom is behind us. I bought in at average of around $10. And if you also got in around that range, congrats. We are in the green. Looks like our plan is slowly playing out and Chia is starting to climb. I have been keeping eyes on the market sentiment, and when prices were dropping, people were scared and expecting even more pain. For example, with Bitcoin, tons of folks were waiting for a dip to the 60k range. But you know how it goes? Markets rarely follow the crowd's expectations. Now that things are going up and people are already throwing out price targets of 120k and more for BTC. But in my opinion, Bitcoin is already near a short to mid-term top. And we might see a pullback soon. I don't expect BTC to go above 110k. The Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and that is good news for altcoins. Still, many people don't believe in the altcoin rally just yet. They are scared. And ironically, that is usually a bullish sign. There is still room to grow. So what about our altcoin, Chia? Same story, really. The coin bounced off a local bottom and is moving toward to the boundary of the triangle I am showing you on the chart. I expect the move similar to the last two rallies, with one key difference. People still don't believe. There is fear. But once Chia hits around $25, I think sentiment will shift. You will see YouTubers declaring that the bottom is in, alt season is here, and prices will never go below previous lows again. But I don't fully buy into that. If you have been following me for a while, you know I still expect one final dip in Chia, maybe to around $4. Could even be a bit lower. Bitcoin might drop below 60k in that scenario too. So what should you do if you are holding Chia and not sure whether to sell or hold for higher targets? Well, it's your call, of course, but here is what I'm planning. Last time I bought in around $10. And I plan to sell in the range $25. Maybe a bit higher, depending on how things go. A lot of people will probably draw the same triangle and start shorting at $25 because this is a top of the triangle. This is why I think the price might actually break out of the triangle and fake everyone out, make it look like we are heading to new all-time highs. But we will know better. I could see Chia reaching $32, but not much higher. Still, I'm not gonna get greedy. I will start selling near $25. If price does push above and stays there, people will FOMO, thinking the bull market is confirmed. This is when I will be watching for a drop back down to around $4. And if we actually hit $32, I might even open a small short position. Nothing crazy, just a small play. If I do, I will let you know in the next update. So quick summary. I expect Chia to hit somewhere between $25 to $32, then a slow bleed down to around $4. But wait, what if I'm wrong and the coin starts dropping now instead of going higher? Well, then I will exit around $10, get my money back, and wait. And what if Chia breaks above $32 and keeps pumping? Then I will buy back at the higher price, for example at $34, and look for long-term growth. But honestly, I hope that doesn't happen just yet. I would really like to buy back in at $4. I hope this video gave you some useful perspective. If it did, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments, are you selling Chia soon or buying more? See you in the next video so we can track this market together. Bye.